This video is to show the accommodations for the coronavirus article. If you don't usually use Ms. Clemmer's help or you're in class period without her, you don't need the video. Of course, you're welcome to watch it either way. I'm just going to read through the article. Coronavirus. Don't mix these chemicals when cleaning. Okay, this is a local. This was actually from Lubbock. And this is a recent article. Most important to you. Local coronavirus coverage highlights. Lubbock, Texas. Lubbock Fire Rescue is urging citizens to be careful about what cleaning supplies they are mixing together in an effort to fight coronavirus. Already there has been one incident where someone mixed chlorine in toilet bowl cleaner, which made a chlorine gas, said Lieutenant Philip Grandin. To put that in perspective, that's the same gas they used in World War I. Cases of chloric gas and other dangerous acids have surged nationwide. Some of the more dangerous combinations include bleach plus ammonia, chloramine, a toxic gas, hydrogen peroxide plus vinegar, peracetic acid, irritates respiratory system, bleach plus rubbing alcohol, chloroform, strong sedative. According to LFR, they hope citizens continue to clean their homes, but do so responsibly. Mixing chemicals can have devastating effects not only on those using the product, but also those around them. If you are in a multi-resident structure, those gases and acids can travel very quickly and hurt other people and their animals, Grandin said. You should always be using the product as intended and read the back for instructions.